Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about long-term capital gains taxes, which was reintroduced in Budget 2018. I will try to create some videos on Budget 2018, how some of these things, especially the long-term capital gains tax, has a negative effect. But today I will talk about a little bit about how it works. So long-term capital gains tax. Was there before also, especially this was with indexation benefits, mostly for debt funds, debt mutual funds. If you hold it for 3 years, then you will get indexation benefit, and I have created a separate video on how indexation works. However, if you are holding stocks, if you were holding stocks for more than a year, and also equity mutual funds where the portfolio consists of 60 to 60% or more, of stocks. If you hold these kind of mutual funds or stocks for more than 1 year, the taxes are completely free, so that you don't have to pay a single tax. So that's basically, in short, for these kind of investing instruments, taxations were waived off. The long term capital gains tax were waived off. So what, in union budget 2018 was reintroduced is, it was anticipated that they might extend it from 1 year to 2 years or 3 years, which did make sense for many investors. However, it was actually came as a negative surprise where it will no longer be waived off, and then as soon as, if you hold on for a stock or equity mutual funds for more than a year, you will be taxed at 10%, but your your total return on investment should be 1 lakh and more. So that's, in a way, you can actually do some calculations and get out of it too, but I will come back on that topic on later videos. So what you can, as a little bit of history on this is, when this long-term capital gains tax was actually waived off, the previous rule, um, um, STT was introduced. That is, securities transaction tax, that was introduced way back in 2004. So right now, with the reintroduction of long-term capital gains tax, and then you're still paying STT, doesn't make sense in my opinion, and that's what many experts are also saying, the same thing. And in a way, long-term investors are not encouraged in any way to hold on to their investments. For example, if you have a multi-bagger stock in your portfolio and you are holding it for the next 20 years, you would still pay 10% tax for it. As I told you, but this is budget 2018. In the next 20 years or 10 years, or even in the next 1 year, what's going to happen, no one can predict. So um, all in all, this was a major negative surprise, and also it has a pretty negative impact on long-term investors for the moment. As I told you, stock markets actually move with the sentiments, and these sentiments keep changing. um, Tomorrow it's something, better news comes up, and then these sentiments will be forgotten completely. So those are my thoughts on long-term capital gains taxes being reintroduced. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will come back again with other videos which are much more informative and thoughtful. Thank you.